I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift your Toyota 4Runner. Many owners choose to lift their vehicle to significantly improve its off-road capabilities. A lift provides greater ground clearance, allowing you to navigate challenging terrain more easily. It also creates space for installing larger, more aggressive tires, which are essential for superior traction. Ultimately, lifting your 4Runner gives it a more rugged and capable appearance, ready for any adventure. When considering a lift, you'll encounter a few main types. Suspension lifts are the most comprehensive, replacing components like shocks and springs to raise both the frame and body, offering 2 to 8 inches of lift. Body lifts, on the other hand, use spacers to raise the body from the frame, typically 1 to 3 inches, mainly for tire clearance and looks. Leveling kits address the factory rake, often lifting the front by 1 to 3 inches to achieve a balanced appearance. A quality suspension lift kit typically includes new coil springs and performance shocks, which are crucial for improved ride quality and articulation. For four-wheel drive models, a differential drop kit is highly recommended to correct driveline angles and reduce wear on your CV joints. If you're lifting more than 2 inches, upgrading to aftermarket upper control arms is essential to achieve proper alignment and maintain optimal steering geometry. Proper installation is paramount for safety and performance, so professional help is often recommended. Immediately after installing any lift, a professional wheel alignment is absolutely essential to correct camber, caster, and toe angles. This ensures safe handling and prevents premature tire wear. It's also a good practice to get a second alignment after driving approximately 500 miles, allowing all new suspension components to settle properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.